I found a YouTube channel making 6 figures, and the person running it has never filmed a single video. Started less than a year ago. Already at 188,000 subscribers. Here's another one. This channel started posting just 2 months ago. It's already making $5,000 a month with 168,000 subs. Hi, I'm Gabriella, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own channel, one that keeps pumping out videos while you sleep. If you want a channel that could potentially make you money on autopilot, stay with me, because the setup is simpler than you think. It's all built with Claude. No face, no technical background, no editing. First, choose a channel you want to recreate. Here are a few examples. This channel talks about finance. The main character is inspired by the Family Guy. Another option is Zen. Their niche is psychology, but there are many niches to choose from. Here's one on history by Dave. Another one makes $12,000 a month. Their oldest video is only a month old. It's about ancient humans. Or, if you like the cartoon style channel, here's a third example. I'm gonna recreate Zen. Simply take a few screenshots and go to Claude desktop app. Make sure to be on the tab called Code. If you are not on Claude Code, this will not work. You do not need any coding experience, so do not get intimidated by the name. If you want to follow along, grab the prompts from the first link in the description. The first prompt has 4 parts. We're going to generate a script, then images, add a voice, and finally assemble the video, making sure all the images sync with the speech. These are the core parts. I had to generate about 4 videos till I was happy with the result. Here's the style we're going to create.
Think back to being 8 years old, a summer afternoon. Time didn't move at all. An afternoon lasted a week. A school year felt like an era, and waiting for your birthday took what felt like years. Now look at this year. It's July. You blinked, and it's July.
Do not expect to get a perfect video from the first attempt. This is normal. In Claude, when you want to build something new, you first go through a few iterations. Once you are happy with the result, you can package that in a skill. Only then, you can simply recall that skill and one-shot your video. I packed all of this into a Claude skill, so you can use it plug and play. You don't have to rebuild it all from scratch. Just type /generate video and your topic, or an example of a video you want to recreate. You shouldn't copy existing videos though. Always come up with a new angle. Here's a pro tip. A good video has a few key elements. First, the script. It has to be factually accurate, especially in the niche I chose, psychology. So what you want to do is deep research. Find authoritative sources like studies and books. Only cover what's factually true and backed by citations. We don't rely on Claude's existing knowledge. Claude creates one new folder for each video. Once the deep research is done, here's the result. All sources are in this file. You can go through the links and check them yourself. We are now ready to write the script. You can train Claude on viral videos. That's what my skill does. I simply grabbed the videos with most views, asked Claude to analyze them, and extract the writing style. We reversed engineered the reason why they went viral. Now we have the deep research and the script. Next up, images. I'm going to use a marketplace for image generation models called Kie. They have OpenAI's model, GPT Image 2, and Google's called Nano Banana. These two are the best right now. I'll use the one from OpenAI. To connect kie.ai with Claude, I will generate one new key. Then ask Claude to show you the file where you can paste your keys. This is the file name, env, short for environment. Because this file starts with a dot, it means it is hidden. To reveal it, use Command-Shift-Dot on a Mac. For Windows, just Google how to reveal hidden files. Let's move on to the voice. I'll use ElevenLabs. You can try their free plan if you want. The free plan limits your video length, but the voice quality is the same as on the paid plan. You don't get lower quality voices for free. I'll create a new key and give it to Claude. All the steps are now complete. Claude created this folder called YouTube Faceless. We have deep research, the script, images, and voice. Claude has everything it needs to assemble the video. Here's the result. I'll only play a few seconds.
You have almost certainly heard this story. Scientists built a paradise for rodents. Unlimited food, clean water, no predators, no disease. And then every last one of them died. First, the population exploded. There was nothing to stop it, so it doubled and doubled again, and then the whole thing came apart. The animals turned on each other.
All you have to do is watch the video and give Claude feedback in case you notice any issues. Then publish it. Check the folder for the suggested title, description, and tags. You even have the thumbnail ready to go. You could automate the publishing as well, but based on my research, YouTube pushes your videos more if they're uploaded by a human. This is my first video on the channel. What video do you want me to shoot next? Let me know in the comments. Should I teach you how this avatar was created? If you want to deep dive into AI, you can join my community where I teach you how to build AI agents from scratch. No technical background needed. See you there.